Hey, garden lovers! Ever wondered what plants can keep your garden looking fabulous all season long? Whether you're into constant color, low-maintenance structure, or a vibrant mix of blooms and foliage, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you 9 of my absolute favorite perennials, shrubs, and annuals that look stunning together and thrive in a variety of climates. Let's kick things off with the ever-cheerful black-eyed Susan. These golden yellow flowers with dark centers bloom like sunshine and bring serious joy to any garden. Plus, they're super tough and reliable, perfect for beginners. Native to North America and hardy in USDA zones 3 through 9, this perennial returns year after year with minimal fuss. It loves full sun and well-drained soil, making it an ideal plant-it-and-forget-it option. I love pairing black-eyed Susans with ornamental grasses or planting them en masse for a bold, prairie-style look. They also attract bees and butterflies, a win-win. Next up, Salvia nemorosa, a must-have if you want long-lasting purple-blue spikes and tons of pollinator action. Hummingbirds and bees can't resist it. This perennial is drought-tolerant and thrives in USDA zones 4 to 9. It prefers full sun and blooms from early summer well into fall, especially if you deadhead spent flowers. It adds vertical interest to beds and borders and looks amazing next to yellow or white bloomers. The color contrast is striking and brings a calm elegance to any planting scheme. Say hello to Coreopsis verticillata, or threadleaf Coreopsis, the perennial that just keeps blooming. With its delicate foliage and bright yellow daisy-like flowers, it adds a cheerful energy to any space. Hardy in USDA zones 4 through 9, it handles heat and humidity like a champ. It's also deer-resistant, so it's great for areas where critters roam. You can use Coreopsis to soften the edges of your garden beds or let it spill slightly over borders. It pairs beautifully with lavender or Russian sage for a soft, airy look. Now let's bring on the drama with hydrangeas. These showstoppers produce huge cloud-like blooms in pink, blue, or white, depending on your soil pH. Ideal for zones 5 through 9, hydrangeas prefer part shade and moist, well-drained soil. They're perfect for foundation plantings or as focal points in mixed borders. The best part? They bloom for months, and even their dried flowers look pretty in fall and winter. It's like getting 4 seasons of beauty from one plant. If you're looking for a no-fuss shrub, Spirea japonica might be your new best friend. It's compact, easy to grow, and offers gorgeous clusters of pink blooms. Spirea is cold-hardy down to zone 3 and thrives in both full sun and partial shade. It also sports colorful foliage in fall, adding bonus interest to your landscape. I love using Spirea as a low hedge or massed in front of taller shrubs. It plays well with others and requires minimal pruning. Total crowd pleaser. Every great garden needs structure, and that's where Boxwood shines. These evergreen shrubs bring year-round formality and style to your beds. Boxwoods thrive in zones 5 through 9, and while they do best in partial shade, they're surprisingly adaptable. You can clip them into tidy shapes or let them grow naturally. Use them to line pathways, anchor flower beds, or even in containers. They're incredibly versatile and timeless. Ready for a blast of instant color? Meet the Petunia, an annual classic for containers, hanging baskets, and sunny garden spots. Although petunias aren't hardy perennials, they bloom non-stop from spring to frost in most zones. Give them sun, regular watering, and a little deadheading, and they'll reward you all season. I love mixing petunias with trailing plants like sweet potato vine for lush, overflowing displays. They're also great for filling in bare spots fast. Zinnias are your go-to if you want bold, punchy color and easy care. These annuals are fast-growing and come in nearly every shade you can think of. They're heat-tolerant, thrive in full sun, and bloom like crazy. Plus, they make excellent cut flowers. Even better, they attract butterflies like magnets. Scatter some seeds in spring, and you'll have a rainbow of blooms by summer. I always recommend zinnias for beginners because they're practically foolproof. And finally, let's talk foliage. Coleus offers some of the most jaw-dropping leaf colors you'll find. Think lime green, burgundy, hot pink, and more. It grows best as an annual in zones below 10, thriving in both sun and shade depending on the variety. It's a fantastic filler in mixed containers or shady borders. Coleus is a game changer when you want to break up all those blooms with texture and contrast. Seriously, it turns a good garden into a great one. And there you have it, my go-to combo of perennials, shrubs, and annuals that will keep your garden glowing from spring to fall. Which one are you most excited to plant? Drop your favorite in the comments. I'd love to hear what's growing in your garden. Don't forget to like this video if it gave you ideas, and subscribe for more easy garden tips. Until next time, happy planting and keep growing joy.